Hello everyone, welcome to the Kiddie Cloud. In today's video, I will be explaining the concept of phonic sound in relation with the Hindi Akshar. Alphabets in English have a sound, ऐसे ही हिंदी के जो अक्षर होते हैं उनमें भी different sound होता है. When you start explaining this to your child, तो इसका relation हिंदी के अक्षर के साथ उनको समझाइए. Now look here, like the way ए का relation जो होता है वो हिंदी के ए से ऐनक वाले अक्षर से होता है. So this is how we say aeroplane. B says b ball. Repetition of saying the sound is very important with your child. C says k cat. D says d dog. E says elephant. ए और ई में कुछ सिमिलर साउंड होते हैं बट उसमें कुछ एक माइनर सा डिफरेंस है. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन इफ यू वांट अ प्रॉपर वीडियो ऑन दैट. एफ सेज फ फैन. जी सेज ग गन. साउंड को रिपीट करिए. एच सेज ह हैट. आई सेज ई इग्लू. J says j jug. Alright. K says k. अब इसका जो साउंड होता है वो मिक्स ऑफ क एंड ख, लाइक kangaroo, kite. L says l lion. The more you repeat with your child, the more the child will grab. M says m mango. N says n nose. O says orange. P says p parrot. Q says qu. आधा क और व का कॉम्बिनेशन qu. Okay. Q says qu. R says rabbit. S says snake. T says tomato. U says umbrella. Most of the time people face issue when explaining their children the difference between the sound of U having umbrella and one of unicorn. तो उसके लिए भी I'll explain it in the different video. Now let us see the sound of letter V and W. V says v vulture. W says w watch. दोनों में sound v का होता है but in a different form. Next, X says x. Half ka and sir, Xmas tree. Y says yo-yo. Z says zebra. So these are the phonic sound of all the letters, 26 letters in relation with Hindi Akshar. The only motive of this video is to explain to you how you can help your child understand the phonic sound in relation with these Akshar. Actually, it becomes really easy when you explain it to them in this way. So follow the Kiddie Cloud on Instagram and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Drop in your suggestions if you want any video related to any topic.